Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware on your GoPro Hero 8 Black using the GoPro software on your phone, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you're new here, we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware on your GoPro Hero 8 Black, and if you have a GoPro 9, the process should be very similar. We're going to be using the GoPro app on our phone. Now this is an Android phone. If you do have an Apple phone, the process again should be very similar, so follow along. Leave some comments below if it is a little bit different for you. Now, we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware, and I hear the newest firmware on the 8 and 9 allows you to use your GoPro as a webcam actually on your PC and your Mac. We're not going to get into that too much today, but it's something to play around with. That could be a really cool feature. So let's jump on over, show you exactly how to update the firmware. All right, so go ahead and turn on your GoPro and make sure you have the GoPro app installed on your phone. You can go ahead and open up the GoPro app, and it's gonna look something like this. And in the bottom left-hand corner, you're gonna see a little camera. We're gonna go ahead and click on the camera. And the first thing you need to do is connect your camera to the app if you haven't done so already. So there's a guide to do that here. You can hit connect a GoPro, and it's gonna start searching for camera. And once it doesn't find your camera, if this is the first time you're doing this, you're gonna want to select the type of camera. So after a minute there, it didn't find a camera. So we're gonna go ahead and hit Hero 8 Black because that's what this camera is. If you have a different camera, you can select a different one. So I'll select that one. And it's gonna give me instructions here of how to continue, and it's gonna actually show me a video. So on the screen here, you can see it says to swipe down from the top, click on Preferences, Connections, and Connect Device right there. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to go GoPro app. And once you're there, you can go ahead and hit continue. And now it can search for the camera. It's going to pair them and connect the camera to the app. So give that a minute to do that. And there we go, it found our camera. We can go ahead and hit connect. And it says connection successful. You can actually name your camera here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just type in Ken. Maybe I'll do Hero 8. Just hit save new name. And once your camera is connected, it can basically check your camera, and all of a sudden you're going to see a pop-up that says camera update available. Now, if you already had your camera connected from previously, this might be one of the first screens that comes up. So once you do that, just go ahead and hit update camera, and it's going to give you all the information about the camera or the new version. You can go ahead and hit update camera again, and it's connecting. Reconnecting to the GoPro. Just going to hit connect. And once it's all connected again, you're going to want to go through this, make sure you read all the legal disclaimer. Once you've done that, hit accept and continue. And it's going to start transferring the files over to your GoPro. It says don't leave the app, your GoPro will power off and on a few times. And I'll fast forward this part so you can see what happens after. All right, so now it's just installing the update. The screen seems to be timing out here, but just tap on the screen and you'll be able to see what's going on your GoPro as well. Installing update, please toggle off and on your phone's Wi-Fi. And this should reset the connection to the GoPro. And it says update complete, and you are done. And it's that simple to update your GoPro with your phone using the GoPro app. So I hope this video was able to help you out in updating the firmware on your GoPro. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested, I have created some videos on what memory cards GoPro recommends for your GoPro Hero 8 Black, the 128GB versions and the 256. I'll have those videos linked below in the description. Also, remember to connect with me on social media. You'll find those links down there as well. Thanks so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.